In this video, we will explain the automatic reply feature for comments on Instagram posts. In the previous video, we used the bot flow builder to create automatic replies in Messenger. Now, let's move on to setting up auto replies for comments. Click on Comment Growth tool and select the Instagram automation campaign. If you don't see this interface, please make sure you have watched our previous tutorial videos on how to log in with Instagram. It's important to ensure that you have completed all the necessary steps before accessing this interface for settings. All the posts you have published on Instagram will be listed on the right side. If your account is newly created and you are new to Instagram, I recommend first publishing a few posts. After publishing a post, go to the gear icon on your post and check if your options match the ones shown in the video. If you only see 2 options instead of all of them, try publishing a few more posts. Then, go to Import Account and click Login with Facebook again. Before returning to the Comment Growth tool interface, check if all the options are now visible. If your interface matches mine, then everything is fine. Now, let's proceed with the settings. We will focus on the full page campaign, which is the main reply function. Click on Full Account Comment Reply and enable the Auto Reply feature by clicking Enable Auto Comment Reply. In this interface, we can set up automatic replies below the comments left by any user on our posts. Additionally, we can automatically send a private message to their Instagram inbox. In the upper section, you have the option to selectively configure settings. If you want to target negative keywords and automatically hide or delete comments if users include those keywords, you can enter them here. Otherwise, you can leave it blank and proceed to the next section. Next, we have the question: do you want to reply to a user's comment multiple times? Here, you can select yes. If you want to reply repeatedly to a user who leaves multiple comments on our posts. If a user repeats the same comment multiple times, we will reply to each comment. Moving on to do you want to hide comments after a reply. This option allows you to automatically hide our replies, so your competitors won't see who is commenting below your Instagram posts. In this demonstration, we won't make any changes to this setting. Below that, we need to select one option. The first option is Generic Comment Reply for All, which means we will automatically reply to any comment regardless of its content. The second option is Send Comment Reply by filtering word or sentence, which requires us to set up automatic replies based on specific keywords. If a user includes those keywords in their comment, an automatic reply will be triggered. If they don't include the specified keyword, no automatic reply will be sent. Here, I will select the Generic Comment Reply for All option for demonstration purposes. Let's give this campaign a name, such as Test, for our reference. Next, enter the content of your reply in the reply text field. We will kindly remind the user to check their messages, because we have already sent an automatic reply to their inbox. If you want to address the user by their name, you can select the user name option, and the system will automatically address them by their name or mention them. Below that, you can choose the Select a Message template for private reply. This allows you to use the settings we made in the previous video, specifically in the visual flow builder. For example, if we created a flow named Flow Demo, we can select it here. This means that whenever someone leaves a comment below my post, in addition to replying to their comment, I will also automatically send a private message. This setting corresponds to the configurations we made in the previous tutorial video. One important thing to note is that in our flow, the first automatic reply postback can only contain one text and one quick reply. Once the user clicks the quick reply button, we can set up multiple layers of replies. After configuring everything, click Submit and then OK. Now, we have completed the setup for the full account comment reply. If I go to my Instagram and someone leaves a comment on any of my posts, I will receive the automatic reply that we just configured. Now, I will use another account to access my business account. Here, I click on the post and leave a comment below. In the previous settings, I set it to automatically reply to any word without requiring a keyword input. So, I can input any word for the comment. Alright, I entered test as the keyword in the comment section below our post. Now, I will refresh the page, and you will see that I immediately receive an automatic reply. I then step outside and promptly receive a message. I click the button in the message, and upon opening it, I receive the content I set in the flow builder. In the first layer of the reply, we can set a text and a button. However, if we set too many layers of replies, the first layer cannot be fully displayed. Therefore, we need to keep in mind that we can only set one text and one button in the first layer. Once we click the button, there are no restrictions. Below that, we can set multiple layers of replies, such as photos or a carousel. With this, I have completed the automatic reply from post comments to Messenger. In the previous example, we used the full account comment reply. However, if you have a specific post and want to set up a custom reply for that post, you can select by latest post on the right side to create a special automatic reply specifically for that post. This way, you can avoid having the reply affect other posts. And for other posts, you can use full account comment reply for a consistent reply. By clicking the gear icon on this post, you can enable the comment reply feature. If you want to use a template for replies, you can find the reply template option in the comment growth tool. The settings below are the same as explained earlier, so I won't repeat them. Here, I can click submit and then click OK. This time, I can choose the template I just created, so I don't have to repeat the settings. If I directly click submit, the settings I made will apply specifically to this post. Now, I will test it by leaving a comment on this post. Let me refresh the page. I have already set up an individual automatic reply, which is the reply I configured just now. As you can see, this post is no longer using full comment reply for the settings, but is using the settings from by latest post. If I go to another post and leave a comment below, you can see that the reply is based on full comment reply, which is the reply I set up using full comment reply. For other posts, we will continue to reply based on full comment reply. Once we receive user comments, we can check the report to see who the reply was sent to. If we want to stop the full account comment reply, we can click the button and then click Pause Campaign. This way, the automatic reply for all posts will stop. If we need to view the report for the individual campaign created for the latest post, we can click Auto Comment Reply and then click See Result. If we want to stop the automatic reply for individual posts, we can click Action and then click Pause Campaign. This way, the automatic reply specifically for that post will stop. Now, let's explore the other reply features available in the comment growth tool. The first one is the mention reply. When a user mentions our business account in their Instagram post caption, we can activate an automatic reply. For instance, if a user posts a caption mentioning our business account and tags us, our business account will automatically leave a comment below their post, expressing gratitude and mentioning their name. This functionality is set up in the Mention Reply section. To enable Mention Reply, we select the Yes option for the question, do you want to reply to comments from a user multiple times? This means that even if a user mentions us repeatedly, we will still automatically reply. The second option pertains to automatically hiding the user's comment. In this example, we choose No. The first option below is for a generic comment reply for all, where we can enter a default reply. If we opt for the second option, Send Comment Reply by filtering word, we can specify a keyword that the user must include in their caption, along with mentioning us, in order for the automatic reply to trigger. In this example, I select Generic Comment Reply for All and enter a campaign name for reference. After entering the comment reply text, I click Submit. Alternatively, if I choose the second option, Filter by Word or Sentence, I can enter a keyword here. Thus, the auto reply will only be triggered if the caption contains the keyword. Let's perform a test. If a user tags us without the keyword, like in this example, the chatbot will not auto-reply. However, if a user tags us with the keyword in the caption, the system will trigger the auto reply. Now, let's see what happens if a user tags us in a photo. By clicking on tagged media and viewing the posts on the right-hand side, we can see which posts have tagged us. Clicking on a post will redirect us to that specific post. Moreover, we can click on the gear icon to access additional options. Enabling auto-comment allows us to comment on our own posts using our business account. Inside the Enable Auto-comment feature, we can assign a campaign name and select a template. Templates can be created in the Comment Template section, and the template content can be entered here. After setting up the template, we can select the desired template and save it. By clicking on Auto Comment, we can check the report. If the status is marked as expired, it means the auto comment has been created. To view the report, we can click on the campaign report. Clicking on the post ID will display the comment we created using the comment template. It will be visible that the comment was made by our business account. If we don't want to schedule a specific time, we can click Leave a comment now, and then click the Create Comment button. This demonstrates the immediate posting of a comment under our account using the same business account. By clicking on Check All Comments, we can review all comments under the post. If we click Disable Comment, we can deactivate the comment feature under the post. We have covered how to set up auto replies under posts, along with how to create auto replies within the inbox. By following these steps, you can create a fully automated system for your Instagram posts.